another severe storm.
The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Madison County, Shelby County, Hancock County, Rush County, northern Decatur County, eastern Johnson County, Henry County, southeastern Marion County, until 12:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Albany to near Greenfield to 6 miles southeast of Franklin, moving east at 80 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expects considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Shelbyville, Geneva, Carthage, Wilkinson, and Waldron around 12:05 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Adams, Knighttown, St. Paul, Shirley, Kennard, Dunreath, Greensboro, Moscow, Mays, and Manila around 12:10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Spice Land, Louisville, Milroy, and Sandusky around 12:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Strawn, New Salem, Clarksburg, and Glenwood. This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile markers 80 and 89. Interstate 69 between mile markers 216 and 230. Interstate 70 between mile markers 95 and 133. Interstate 74 between mile markers 100 and 136. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for central and east central Indiana. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating,
What is it with them cutting off?